Hello everyone, I am Anjali Daima, first year MMA student of SAS Institute of Management Studies. I am going to present on the topic of types of payment system. So what is payment system? A payment system consists of instruments, banking procedures and interbank fund transfer system that ensure and facilitate the circulation of money. So here are the types of payment system. Credit cards, mobile payments, bank transfer, e-wallet, prepaid cards, e-cash and direct deposit. So let us see them in details. Credit cards. The most common way for customer to pay online. Credit card helps to buy goods and services on credit. It is a plastic card having magnetic strip issued by the bank. Next is mobile payments. Mobile payments offer quick solution for the customer to purchase on e-commerce websites where the mobile phones are involved in both the initiation and confirmation of payments. In mobile payments, smartphones are necessary. Next is bank transfer. Customers who are enrolled in an internet banking facility can do a bank transfer online. Bank transfer assures customer that their funds are safely used because each transaction needs to be authenticated and approved by the first customer's internet banking. Customers allows to bank that transaction must be done properly. Next is e-wallets. E-wallet payments stores a customer's personal data and funds which are then used to purchase from online stores. Signing up for the e-wallet is fast and easy. Customer required just to submit their information once for purchases. E-wallet is also called as electronic wallet. It is just like a leather wallet. Next is prepaid cards. Prepaid card usually allow user to spend their deposited money in their specific account. It is an alternative method commonly used by minors or customer with no bank accounts. So let us move ahead. Next is direct deposit. Direct deposits are when customer instruct their banks to pull funds out of their accounts. To complete online payment, customer usually inform their banks when funds should be pulled out of their accounts. Next is e-cash. Electronic cash or digital cash is method that allow buyers to pay for goods or services online, transmitting over internet through unique electronic number. It allows the customers to transact online easily. I would like to show a quote which is related for the payment. Success is one thing you can't pay for. You buy it on the installment plan and make payments every day. Thank you.